Hey guys, I'm like a big kid. So here we have the Frontier stove. This will kind of give you guys an idea. I'm just amazed how efficient this little stove is. Absolutely loving it. Really cool. And the heat, it's absolutely kicking off. So it's just started to rain. So I've just kind of taken down the lavvo and got the stove. I'm just kind of burning the remains of the wood that was inside of it, and got a brew on. But I'm so excited. You're really going to heat up that lavvo so well, and also be able to cook on the top of it. I mean, I kind of can't get any closer with the door open because it's so hot. I think as I get closer, it really kind of is really warm. Beautiful, efficient little stove. And you'll be able to put, you know, a kettle on there, a pot, and maybe a small frying pan as well. So yeah, really looking forward to continuing these little lavvo adventures. Cheers guys, speak soon.